Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create new contacts in HubSpot. First things first, we have to log in to our HubSpot account, and as you can see we have some pre-made like accounts or contacts here that we can straight away send emails, but don't do that because they are just like featured. They are there when you create a new account, so they are supposed to teach you how you can send them a message or how it looks when you have your contact already implemented inside of your HubSpot account. But if you want to create a new one, it's very easy. We have to go to the top right corner and click on Create Contact. First, we have to start with an email. So let's go and write something like that. First name, let's go with Alex. Blue. Contact owner. We can go with no owner, or we can go with our name that basically give us who is responsible for bringing in the contact. Job title, let's go with employee, but you can go with a CEO or the other ones. Then you can go with opportunity as a life cycle stage. If you don't want to go with phone number, if you don't have the phone number or anything like it, only the email connection and lead stage you. Let's go with a new. Then all you have to do is create a contact, and straight away, as you can see, Alex Blue, this is his account number, but also the asset logo, and we have all the stages, statuses, and everything you probably need for this contact. Last contacted, you can go with the details. This guy was never contacted. We can write down some notes. Email, call, tasks, and if you want to schedule a meeting, you for sure can. Now we can add him a company among our companies if we have any already implemented in our account, then deals, tickets, attachments, and contact create attribution. So that's how you create a basic contact in HubSpot. Nothing too fancy, just simple contact. We can also import from file or opt-out list, or sync it with other apps via integrations, maybe even through Zapier. So that's how you create a contact. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.